Good afternoon guys, and this is Tech. So, in the episode I call it What's in the Box? We have the Lenovo GM1. So, if you watch in the previous episode, which is the LP6, this come from the same company. And this only cost me $35, just $5 cheaper than the LP6. So, what are so special about this? If you want to know, these are the full specs. So, as you can see in the chart, it is almost as close to the wired headset. And if you want to know what are the colors available, there are two colors. This is the green and the red. So, without further ado, let's check this baby out. Okay, so let's open this baby up. Easy as it is. Alright, so we just slide this open. And what first we got? When we open the instruction manual, oh shit, the instruction manual, and you can see right here the circular thing is the earbuds. Oh, okay, I did not expect the design this way. And if you can see, this is the red design. I could get, there is the black and green version, but I just YOLO and just try to get the red one instead, because why not? Okay, later we look at this. And behind the sponge, there's nothing much. And top here, it should be the, oh wow, look at that, the rubber tip. Even the rubber tip is red in color. Dang, that's cool, that's cool. And the earbud and the Type-C cable is the flat type instead of the usual circular type. So you can clearly see you spend a few more bucks for a better box opening compared to the one that I opened previously, which is called the LivePods LP6, which is like just open casing and behind everything just dump it, while this has some presentation to it. And even the earbuds, it's cool, I must say. So yeah, other than that, that's all for the casing, and let's examine the earbuds. Alright, so I can see that it is a matte finish. It is way better built compared to the LP6, with the distinctive logo of Lenovo right here, the important information, and over here it says 800 milliamp hours. That this casing can carry compared to the LP6 right here. As you can see there, it says 300 milliamp hours. Compared to this Chango, it can carry up to 800 milliamp hours. So yeah, so I thought it would be the same as the KZ earbuds, which is the opening this way. But nope, Lenovo was like, we are opening this way. So yeah, so look at that. That's wicked. Look at that shit. Yeah, so basically this is the battery for when you open the case, and this is the two battery for the earbuds. So look at that. Everything is red. Like literally everything is red. So before I open that, we can see there it's all red as well. So I'm expecting the black version, it will glow green instead of orange right here. And I need to check the instruction manual, what it looks like for the full battery. But I must say, the magnet is fairly strong and it's quite hard to open with one finger probably. It is not as ergonomic compared to the KZ where I can just where it is like basically like open a wedding ring like that. This thing is like that. So it's a weird design, but it's cool nonetheless. And other than that, here you can see there is the like some kind of like a shield right here, and then bottom here you can see there is the type C port. And other than that, there's nothing else other than the Lenovo at the side. And let's explore the earbud. Okay, so the first thing you will notice is that the earbuds, it is like I forgot what's the shape of this traprism, or not traprism, it's a triangle elongated triangle. I forgot my shapes. So yeah, it is a very unorthodox way of designing, because usually if you hold this way, it is a very weird way to hold it, because it is not very ergonomic as I say, but it has that cool factor. It has literally has a triangle here with the light indicator at the bottom to show that it is pairing or on with the two pogo pins right there. And I'm not sure what is this top thing is. It's just a dot of gold color plastic, but it is fully plastic, very glossy as well. I don't think it will leave any fingerprint here, but yeah, it's interesting. And I must say it has the same design in terms of earbuds to the LP6, as you can see over here. The LP6 is like the more poorer quality, but it is more ergonomic compared to the GM1 right here. But in terms of the earbuds, as you can see, it's pretty much the same, except for the ear tip right here is fairly small. It's not the very typical type like this, where it's a rounded, slightly curved on the front, slightly curved on the tip right here. You can see that this barely has any earbud right here. It's like very thin. So in terms of you want to find a earbud replacement, you need to find the exact model right here. So that's all for the unboxing, and it's a very cool design, but I need to test the music and as well how the mic sounds like, and I will catch you all later. Alright, so the unboxing is done and you have seen the casing. I really enjoy the case. For some reason it's very fascinating, especially the orange lighting right here. Yeah, especially the orange lighting right here. With the line here with the grid. Everything is interesting. But unfortunately, the earbud here is super red, which it kind of turned off for me. So I would rather take the black version instead. But hey, and if you realize, and the thing is, I noticed that the earbud, like all these points are pretty much useless. They are just there for aesthetic. But the touch control, it is right at the tip right here, which is, I found it damn interesting. Yeah, it's like right there. Like so you can see that little gold thingy tip is, yeah, that's the sensor right there. So I found it very interesting. And if you want to know how it looks like on the ear, this is the zoom in version. And if you want to know what are the controls are right here. It's just basically, it's like play and pause using a single tap, double tap to go to the next song, and triple tap to activate the AI assistant. and holding the button will activate the volume to move gradually upwards or gradually downwards. But the thing is, I found it fascinating that if you pause the song and you press and hold, activate the gaming mode, but you have to activate it before you enter your game, or else it will detect as media. So if you press and hold, it will start to volume up or volume down. But when you exit the game, you press and hold, it will count it to activate the game mode. So after that, you can jump in and just start playing. That is one thing for you guys to take note of. And for the sound quality, I must say it's a lot to be desired. It is not very clear. It sounds a bit muffled, but it is not very bassy as well. So it is stuck in this limbo of neither here, neither there. But if I'm going to compare with the LP6 right here, this volume is fairly soft. When I set this about 25% to almost 50%, this thing I have to crank it up all the way to 75% to almost 100%. So I don't know what's wrong with it, but maybe over time it will fix itself. Who knows, but time will tell. And the song I have tried, the song that I would recommend for today, not really meant for this earpiece, but it will be the song called Dance Monkey by Tones and I. I'm pretty sure that many of you heard of the song before, but if you want to know what is the link to the YouTube video or the Spotify, there is a link in the description down below. So that's all I can say, other than build quality, excellent, but sound quality is yeah. And that's all from me. Hit a like button if you enjoy this video, and subscribe to the channel if you want to know what is the latency going to be like, and how the sound quality as well through the mic in the next episode. So that's all from me. This is Nash, and I'll catch you all next time. See ya.